I'm really happy to present two programs here, two Vienna Shorts programs. The request was the first one should be an international program and the other one an Austrian. So what we are going to see now is the international program with the title Into the Outer Space. It fits to the main topic of the festival, To the Future, I hope. So we start with the 6 films now. You already mentioned everything about Vienna Shorts, so I don't have to tell you any more about our festival.
Drifting.
Radar. Check. You like Back to the Land. You like beaches. You like moss and trees. You like permaculture. You like moss and trees. You like gravity.
This large expanse of open space is so silent and still. Its capacity to recall our existence is profound.
And then on a Sunday afternoon, the landing on.